Right, first thing to do is start taking screws out. I'm not sure how many screws there are because I've never done this job before. And I've got my little set, and I'm going to need a torque piece here, which is a T20. And locate these screws. Right, let's have a look. First screw, one here. These screws out. I've got another screw over here. Let's take him out. That's that. Next screw is, it seems to be dropping away. One thing I've got to do also is, you know, the actual bonnet latch, that's got to come off. Fortunately, you can see I can put my screwdriver with the bonnet latch, so I can literally just put my screwdriver up there, and because I've already got a little cutout there, which is handy, and I can just unscrew the bonnet latch. I'm not sure what's going to happen after taking the screw out, mind. Oh, that just sort of pops out. That's handy. Right. And that would just, obviously, I might be able to just tease it up through there, but I can't do that at the moment because I've got the GoPro in my hand. But it's all looking reasonably good at the moment. Touch wood. Catch it a bit. Yeah, I've just sort of pulled all the plastic out from the back, and it's just sort of like fell forward. So basically it's literally just slotted in the back and just held by those 3 screws at the front. You can see it's hanging here at the moment, and I've got the OBD interface connection there. Right, it looks like I've got to take, because I can't see a lot, I've got to take, you can see a little light switch at the back. Well, not a switch, a connection to a little light, the interior light. And I've got to take out the ODP, and to do this I've just worked it out. You just pull this unlock out, and from the other side under here, I don't know if you can see that, but it literally just, you just push the plug and it will release it through. So that seems relatively easy to push out. Let's just take that out, and that other connection. I'll be right back. I forgot, obviously you've got to tease the bonnet latch through the hole, and that seems to like it's going to go full through it. Just maneuver it around, and there you have it. I've got the whole piece taken out, and it wasn't too bad. It's going to be really simple to put back. Right, let's check out the switch, and hopefully we've got the right switch. Anyway, let me check. Right, I've located it. It's pretty much quite different to what I've seen on the net, certainly in a different position. I've not seen one video showing it in this position, so hopefully it's be of use to you guys, you know, from a 2013, you know, 204 version Mercedes. Hopefully you can see this. I've got my phone light on, but this is looking up into the depths of under the dash, and what you'll see is it's there. Yay! It's a bit more awkward because you don't normally see this. It's normally away from this steering mechanism, and also there's a switch here that you don't see. But if you go around the back, there's a little lever that you can see. I'm pressing it and it opens the latch, and you can just pull that out of the way. It'll give us a little bit of room to... This is all new to me. I've never seen this before. But yeah, just a bit of a wiggle, basically. Bit of a wiggle. It pulled that out. Backwards and forwards. Right. We should be able to just pull this piece out. It's quite tough. Yeah, we've run out of room because there's a little bloody... Oh, there you go. You can pull it. Only just enough room. Just angle it to the side. Wow. That's similar to what we've got. We'll have a look at it in a bit. Chuck that aside. And this, apparently, at the back, might have some... We should be able to pull this out. Now that middle bit's out. I'm trying to get my finger around the back at the same time. Yeah, you can't basically hello guys, you can't basically pull that out because I think there's just two little clips behind, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a second and put my finger behind and try and push them in to lever that out. Be right back. Right, this is the clip, and when we look at the clip I'm going to put in, so I get an idea of how to take that one out, which is a bit of a struggle. You can see there's like let's just put that camera there, and you can see there's these little clips here. Now they've got to be pushed in to allow, or yeah, push down to allow me to release. So that's what I'm going to try now and give it a go and see if that works. Right, be right back. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Basically the job was, I was making the job more difficult than what it was, because with the area of this piece here, let's put it there, this piece here, I was literally, what I'd done, I put a little screwdriver in there and then forced it in and then pulled it out from that side, and I wiggled it and it come out. So it's not greatly difficult, a little bit awkward, but that should be fine. So that's how it just basically slots in. So where did I put the other one? Oh, there you go. So right, let's get back under. Oh, and it's a bit awkward, but it's just in here. I can't do it, but that's where it goes. But I'm just going to quickly slide that in. So one moment. Well, it went in very, very simply. Let's just put a light on that so you get an idea. And that's the way it goes in. Now we have to put this next section in. Another awkward. Oh, it's another a bit awkward because you're meant to depress the brake pedal while you push it all the way home. So let's put this piece in. That's another thing. I'm just going to slide this second piece in. I can't hold the camera while I'm doing it. One moment. Like we're taking the other one out, it had to be put in from the back there and slid forward because this bracket's in the way. And that's just basically now what I've got to do is depress this brake pedal, and then that's it, and then push it in, push it home, and that's it. Oh, see what I mean when it forces back when you let go of the brake pedal. I suppose that's normal. And now simply to replug the switch. Then we've got this switch I wasn't aware of. What needs to do, slide back down, clip into place. That was easy enough, wasn't it? We've done it. Hey, right, let's get over here. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, basically all I've got to do now is put the bonnet clasp through, back again, plug the plug the ODP port back and do up those screws. Right, let's get on to that job. Now that is how to fit a brake light switch to the Mercedes W204 2013, and this model's the C350, but it doesn't really matter, you know, it's going to be similar on the 2013 onwards for fitting this. So there's not too much, it's not going to just be on this model obviously, but more specifically the W204 version.